making veal.
But what are you doing now?
I'm just gonna open it up like this and put it in an egg. And do this and open it up. Do this side and then open it up again. And put it in here. And bury it 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 and bury it.
Okay, then what?
And pat, pat, pat. And some more because it's still sticking out. Right. Right, Mom?
Yep, what if you flip it over? Try flipping it over. Oh, okay, there, now it's all covered.
Flip. Open up.
Okay. Pat, pat, pat. What do you, look at Mommy. What'd you just do?
Make some veal by myself.